back to another elegance video. Today I'm showing you how to assemble our flower vase centerpiece.
I'm beginning by adding a washer and a nut to the longer dowel. With the washer at the end, pass the dowel through the vase. Add a lock washer and nut to the other end to secure it in place. Now add the coupling, twisting about halfway down. Use the coupling to connect the smaller rod. Add the middle section and the flower bowl next. Secure everything in place by adding a lock washer and hex nut. Lastly, remove the backing of the felt base and attach it to the centerpiece.
Thank you so much for watching this video. You can find the links to the products used in this video in the description below. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.